Well, guys, so previously I just got so frustrated and so harshful and so grouchy in a grouchy mood, but we can still try to shape it out, slide it out, and try to dread it. Okay, so I'm ready to do some more Groovepad stuff. So yeah, let's do it. Today we are doing absolute techno. By the way, I'm giving you one more clue. These lessons are just gonna be a lot easier to do. So let's hope it doesn't even happen again. So let's get started already. Let's start with lesson 1. So jealous. Try to confirm native jealousy. What's going on here? No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
Where you learn words at? Where you learn those cuss words?
I don't know.
On the radio? Yes, you do.
No, I didn't.
On the radio or on TV?
On
TV?
No.
Where?
I didn't cuss.
You did cuss. Did you learn that on YouTube?
No.
Yes, you did.
Yeah. No, I did. I'm sorry. Ugh! You stupid head. Let's start with the second lesson. Dang it! My mom is literally jealous, you guys. She insulates some viral, spiritual, bad remove stuff. She optimized her bad thoughts on this one. You know, try not to roughly institute your bad language instead of my bad language. Actually, yeah. I already know about these bracelets. And they're already colorful bracelets. Bracelet. No. I'm not buying that. Ever. Let's just start with lesson 3. This is so embarrassing, guys. how reckless and speckless I am. You are honestly a very good kid. Yes, I am. But still, nobody in a rehearsal and keep doubting for nothing. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's just hope it's not happening again. Okay, lesson 4 is next. Yes! Okay. Chelsea, stop doing that. Hey, stop. Get away from me. Okay, lesson 5. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that vocal just sounded so crazy and weird. That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go to lesson 6. Alright, it's basically compacting my disability and try to demonize my intelligence. Not only your possible intelligence, but your impossible intelligence. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm so sorry. We have to deal with this rough argument, you guys. Lesson 7, here we go. goodness, even though I didn't even see that guy, I didn't see why I was tapping. My finger was in the way. I was literally tapping that. Okay, lesson 8. What happened? I didn't even really cuss. Yes, you did. You absolutely cussed at. That's unacceptable. That's very inconsiderable, too. Exactly, Chelsea. Man, you can't forget that bad. Alright, lesson 9. Alright, seems a little tricky, but okay. Dang it. Alright, last lesson. Lesson 10. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. You know, it seems a little scary, but I don't know why I'm tapping. Alright, we complete lesson 10. 10 out of 10. Okay. Let's see what's popping up on. Yeah, I showed you guys. MS now. Oh, MS now. MS now. I don't know what I'm doing. What the heck? What? What? Oh my goodness. I don't know that. Seems like Sir Lindsey Graham just died after brief and sudden illness. What? That's so sad. I don't freaking know about that. Oh, I don't know. Senator Lindsey Graham. I don't know about that. But honestly, it's a purpose mistake. That literally bursts me out. What is happening? Oh.
when you think of this shocking news at the moment, Senator McCaskill, you knew him so well, certainly a very well-known name, regardless of whether you supported him or you did not.
Yeah, obviously this is shocking. Obviously, when I think of Lindsey, I think of somebody who had every intention of staying in the Senate for his entire life. And Lindsey, especially by Senate standards, sometimes was not one of the most elderly of the Senate. So it is shocking. I think what I think is important to remember is how steadfast Lindsey was about the United States military. I mean, he was a former JAG officer, and if you ever watched Lindsey question witnesses, you could tell he's been in the courtroom. He knew how to get the answers that sometimes witnesses did not want to give in front of the United States Senate, particularly on the Armed Services Committee. We served together on that committee for 12 years. And he was a very, very committed to the United States and our allies. He felt very strongly about supporting Ukraine, very strongly about supporting Israel, very strongly about continuing to make the military as mighty as possible. And yeah, we can find things about Lindsey that are hard to explain. And I watched Lindsey go from somebody who hung out with Joe Lieberman and John McCain, and John McCain kind of was the leader of that pack, and Lindsey was an enthusiastic member of that close.
Yeah, obviously, I hate when this little colleagues, this senator, actually died. I knew it. I knew this is gonna happen, right? Yeah, it happened. Oh my goodness. You know Senator Lindsey Graham, who played a major role in shaping a quarter century of American foreign policy from the post 9/11 U.S. invasions of, what's that word? I don't know about that word. Afghanistan and Iraq. I don't know. Dang it, it's hard to freaking tell. Trump administration war with Iran died unexpectedly on Saturday. He was 71. Well, apparently, I don't think so. This is really shocking, huh? Yes. You know what? Get out of this type of news site. Jesus. Well, thanks for watching this video. More Groovepad videos, tutorials coming up. Instead, we're doing Gabba House and lots more to go. So, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what is your favorite Groovepad music is going to be like. So, let me know in the comments. Bye, guys.